Hello, my name is Desmona. I'm from Ofringi Biology University of Malang. Well, here I'm going to explain about breast milk production. The first one is about hormones. There are two hormones for breast milk production. The first one is oxytocin hormone. Oxytocin hormone is for regulate the flow of breast milk. Stimulation from baby suckling during uh, feeding will be passed to the hypothalamus, which produce the hormone oxytocin. Furthermore, oxytocin will stimulate uh, the smooth muscle around the alveoli to contract and express milk. And second is prolactin hormone. Prolactin hormone is a hormone that makes the cells of milk production work optimally. This hormone is produced by the pituitary gland. When the baby suckles, sensory stimulation from the nipple will be sent to the brain. Then respond by releasing the hormone prolactin, which will return to the breast through the bloodstream and stimulates the other cells to produce milk. According to time, breast milk production is divided into two. First, before the birth, and two, after the birth. Before the birth, when before the birth, a mother will enlarge breast. Well, this happens because the glands in the breast make breast milk have started to develop since the first trimester of pregnancy. The hormones that occur during pregnancy cause the milk ducts to grow in size and amount. And second, breast nipples are more prominent and size increase. The color of the nipples and areola also become darker. Well, some experts suspect this discoloration nipples and areola arms is to help the baby to see which one he should suck, but there's no evidence to support this. Next is after the birth. A body can start producing milk in full within 48 until 96 hours after giving birth. When the this happen when the placenta is out of body, the hormone estrogen and progesterone decrease. This then this then this then stimulates the level of the hormone prolactin to rise, and then the hormone prolactin encourages small sacs as a place to produce milk that called alveoli. That will be protein, sugar, the fat from the mother's blood. Well, all of all of these what is it? Material is then used to make breast milk. The tissues that surround the alveoli then squeeze the glands and push breast milk out of the mother's breast. Well, that's all about breast milk. Thank you for watching and bye.